I'm gonna be making a simple syrup, which is actually something that I use a lot in my cocktails. Typically, a simple syrup ratio is equal parts water to sugar. I like to do a little bit more water in my simple syrup just because it kind of stretches my drink without having to add a lot of filler mixers that make something kind of oversweet in my opinion sometimes. So I'm gonna show you how I do it, but using the microwave. So basically what I'm gonna do is measure out about a half cup of sugar. And then I'm gonna measure out about 1.5 cups of water, which is a lot more than equal ratio, but this just gives me a little bit more stretch and syrup to work with. So what you're gonna do is pour it in, give it just a slight stir, and then we're gonna put it in the microwave for about 2 minutes. This is gonna get it really hot, and what it's gonna do is heat up the water to a point where it actually melts the sugar and it all combines to make a delicious syrup. And it's as simple as that. All you need is a microwave, some water, sugar, and a coffee mug, and you've got simple syrup you can use in your cocktails, sweeten your tea, whatever you need to make a little sweeter.
Are you looking for more product advice and wisdom from me?
Or me?
Or me?
Hit that subscribe button or head over to thedesirecompany.com for more classes, how-tos, and reviews.